Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about should non-US sellers set their prices in the currency of their own country or in US dollars. And I think in my mind, it makes more sense to set your prices in the currency of your own country so that you don't have to pay the additional currency conversion fee when Etsy pays you. All Etsy payments that are issued in US dollars. And if you have your currency set up in an international bank, that is not US dollars based, then when Etsy pays you, they're going to charge you a currency conversion fee. The fee, I believe, at the time of this recording is about 2.5%. So that's an extra percentage that they're tacking onto the fees that you would pay. If you have your payments set up in your normal currency, like the currency that you use in your country that is in your bank, then you will not be charged that conversion fee. And the currency is going to display different, like the price is going to display differently in your Etsy shop because of that in different countries. But it doesn't really matter because Etsy is an international company, and no matter where you are in the world, your prices are going to display differently in different countries. So I know that a lot of people will say, oh, you want to price everything in US dollars so you can control what it looks like. But honestly, it's more important to save that extra currency conversion fee and not pay it, because people know at this point with online shopping that things are international. And if you do see a price that's a little different, that has strange cents at the end of it, it's probably just an international shop. And that's also a clue for people that the shop might be international and it might take longer to get to them. So that's not a bad thing if people understand that. Whether they understand that or not is a different question. So my answer to this question would be to set your currency, whatever currency you choose on Etsy, set it to the one that is in your bank in your country, just to avoid that extra fee, because the whole point of selling on Etsy is to make money, and you want to make as much money as you can, and paying that extra fee is going to chip away at your profits. So leave me any questions and I will talk to you later.